So foot hype, I get beaten a foreign right now. Allegedly. Few are going with the Buju Banton case right now. Them a kill foot hype here, sir. No, people big up on a blood clot self here, sir. Yeah. Smash the like and turn up the fucking notification. Yeah, we can get to the business, you know. Them a beat foot hype here, sir. Broadboard here, sir. No, what them a say now? Foot hype outcomes. You is the big deal in America, right? And big Buju Banton forward on the show. And you never get a job on the show. Wow, go on. Now, people, it all depends on who are forward with that statement there. It all depends how you receive it and how you process it. Now, you have some other people that speculate and say, well, foot hype and a selector like that on nobody that could really say them have him at it, you know, the event for MC. Could I see if it was a MC, nothing. But Foota Hype is like a more dramatic person. I said, okay. No, you are telling me, say, no, them want done Foota Hype thing in a comedian thing. Anyway, people, right now, them I say, just like how Jabba and Bobby Kanda, you know, say, still, a them man there for years and top of years, always a be the MC for shows like that in a New York. Summer jam thing, all of them type of thing there. It's always them man there still. You understand? Yeah. So you have to know that set. So you can't really just get up and just jump all of that. And say Foota Hype if you just get called out and just say boy him never work at the show so him not get booked. That no mean say the man not get booked. You understand? So people are speculate and say wonder if the Gargamel now vibe Foota Hype. You know what I'm saying? Cause as you know, Foota Hype speak in mind at times and it don't really matter who the person was. From Foota Hype see something wrong, Foota Hype I gotta deal with it in a film one way. When I don't know. Foota Hype speak in mind, speak how him feel and left the rest to find out what really I go on. So, people, want to drop it in the comment section. Wanna feel like say Foota Hype was supposed to be the MC on a show like that for Bantan or Foota Hype never did for Dead none at all. You understand? Wanna feel like say boy Foota Hype would be welcome around Buju Banton if we go as far as even I be the DJ for the artist. I you have to remember, we don't know what type of relationship these people have. It's all speculation. You understand? I don't know. You had people stay already. One man said something over here, so, and by the time he reached down the road down there, so, that one statement they chop up and copy and paste so much, they make them own out of it. You understand? So, you have to just sift through things, do your own research, and pick what's right. You understand? Because you can't just go for the first thing you see and lock on and run with it. Yes, trust me. You go up on the wrong side. So people them I say boy, for all of the things we Foota Hype attack but Jamaica, especially within the crisis time. Me some people I say boy, I hope Foota Hype no buck him to and forward back down here, cause Foota Hype does say the people them down there. If you meet it, Rasta, best way if you put it. Some some people I say, well, it's understanding well if you have an issue with certain people, but I don't think for see the whole island, you know what I mean? I go through a devastating time like that and make a certain speech was suitable for the moment. But that's foot hype. Foot hype speaking mind. As what me just say. And you have to just pick what you want, pick out it and run with it. Now, they must say it's actually better for Mr. Vegas than even foot hype because we are bridging a step on the internet too. At least Mr. Vegas have him song them. Him hit songs. Hits after hits. For people well known and want to hear. You know, say the girl them love the Broke It Down song. Alright? So Vegas have the thing them. So what them must say is foot hype just known for them on the internet with controversy and I call out people. But I'm not really so we are tell me say no. So hold on. So another try to take a foot hype legacy from the man Rasta. I want to go and run your brother. So now tell me say no. You don't want to just take a whole of foot hype credit just overnight. So just cause the man work on one show. Yeah, tell me say no. The man lose all I'm credit. Then worse. The man go say boy, if on the think on see nothing yet after the devastation of going with the hurricane and thing and foot hype never really look like him sorry for nobody done there. And I said, boy, look like the artist. The entertainer chose stone behind him, Rasta. So, foot hype people, let me say right now, you can stop fight for yard cars. You see, just go and represent and, you know, go and fight for you there, Rasta. Yeah. Because they must say, it's like basically, foot hype is no longer a Jamaican citizen. So, if you hear foot hype make certain speech, don't really take it too personal. Don't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if next month Foota change the melanin and whiter than chronic lab. You see me? So I just saw the thing set, man. But now people let's get back serious now to this thing and now. Seeing so want to make sure so to smash the like, subscribe, and make we get the thing. Wait for go. Cause right now, them want go and like say them surprise say Buju Banton sell out him show them. Make we talk about that. Cause when I play hypocrite, like on surprise, like uno never did know say Gargamel and a regular artist. Or I just threw Gargamel forward from the same island or the same community as where someone other forward from and know say boy, you know him from at all the time. So true you know the artist or you see the artist. Or you're more aware of the artist because you're from the same island as the artist. Right? You feel as if say, okay, you can just sleep on it because you know about the artist. You don't know nothing about the artist. You have to know the caliber artist. The caliber artists what Jamaica produced to the world. And on a normal thing. Jamaica have a thing about it. The people, right? The food, the air, the vibe, the vibration, how we live. You know what I mean? With culture, special. You know what I mean? So we need to see people really, really, really look into Jamaica on a positive note and know say we're special, we're precious, you know, and we highly loving of the world. You know what I mean? We get a lot of respect. We might not do all of the right things at all of the times, but for the best part that we stand out. You know what I mean? It's a very good feeling to say you're Jamaican when you're overseas. You know what I mean? It's always a good feeling to say, yeah, yeah, yardy. You know what I mean? It's just something about being a Jamaican. Just different. The whole Jamaican vibe's different. You know what I mean? They run Jamaican people, you can't know. Whole vibe is just the energy just different. Yeah man. I wanna do like people business neither. Somehow